With the increased complexity of the manufacturing environment, it's become much, much harder to figure out how to troubleshoot issues. We take a lot of the guesswork out of that. A lot of people have put sensors on their equipment in the hopes that they would be able to someday get better efficiencies out of these things. That's where the AI comes in. Noodle can help take that data from those sensors and actually create value from it. We can make predictions about what will happen in the future in regards to quality, in regards to downtime, in regards to your production plan, and allow you to take action much earlier on. AI gives experts new insights, and it gives people who are not experts the ability to become or act like experts very quickly.
The Noodle.ai Vulkan Manufacturing Suite is powered by 3 artificial intelligence engines. The first is Sentinel, that is trained on trillions of data points from sensor waveforms, logs, and environmental factors. It learns the patterns and correlations of how a specific factory has operated over the last few years and the most likely root causes of unplanned downtime and defects. The second engine is Precog, which measures the current state of the factory and predicts the probability and timing of future component failures and defects. The third engine is Pathfinder, which uses tree search to interact with operators to determine the best corrective actions to increase factory uptime and yield.
AI really can make a step change where people were only making very, very tiny gains for many years.